Have you ever seen 5 people carrying a load, but 3 out of them are the active contributors? That is, they are the one carrying the load, while the other 2 are disguising. They appear as if they are part of the team carrying the load, but they are not active. The inactive people are just like block in a frame structures. Now let me explain what a frame structures is. A frame structures is actually a structures where only the structural elements, that is the beam, the column, the slabs and the foundations, are the one carrying the load of the building. And when constructing a frame structures, the structural element will be the only one that will be firstly erected. That is, the column will be firstly, after the foundations, the column will be erected, following by the slab, while the wall will not be there until they are done. Now I will be speaking on frame structures and load bearing walls. In choosing your wall, you have to be very careful, and one of the things you must consider is that, is the wall a load bearing wall or it's not a load bearing wall. If you are constructing a frame structure, of course your wall will not be a load bearing wall, because except if it's specifying in the design. So it is actually the structural element that will carry the whole load, while the wall will just enclose the entire building without carrying any load. When it comes to load bearing wall, it is actually the wall that carries, that is your block and your wall that carries the entire load of the building. Now there are several factors to be considered when choosing whether to go for a load bearing wall or to go for a non-load bearing wall. Among these factors are the size of the building you are erecting. If you are building a story building or 1 or 2 story building, of course you can consider a load bearing wall. But if you have an high rise building, then frame structure is more preferable. The size is also a factor, the cost, the speed, the availability of the materials, and time constraint, time itself. So that is the factors to consider when choosing a load bearing wall or non-load bearing wall. Thank you.